Hi people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Socio. Right, today I am one of destination like tourism, call lot place, main places or place or castle we call lot, but every single day, not only Monday, Sunday, but only Sunday, every Sunday, a lot after we have to turn. Those people from Medan came here just take picture because they are thinking this place is very awesome, I think. But I myself with my friends here invite a lot of people from Banda Aceh come here just promote 5 continents like United States, Africa, United Kingdom, including Asia, Singapore, and then Malaysia. This is very awesome, I think. But if you wanna come to Indonesia, don't forget to come to Medan because Medan very wonderful city. After the number third, after Jakarta, Surabaya, finally Medan. But don't forget to come to Aceh. Banda Aceh is Islamic tourism 2016 and 2020. Don't forget to come to Aceh because Aceh very interesting. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.